cheating is a choice. It's always a matter of yes or no. Walang, ay, hindi ko sinasadya na nagloko ako. Walang ganon, okay? Nagloko ka o hindi ka nagloko. Walang middle ground. Ngayon, the first thing that you will do after you cheat is you take accountability with the cheating that has happened. Akuin mo yung kasalanan mo, magpaliwanag ka kung paano mo nagawa at bakit mo ginawa iyon, anong circumstances yung nangyari para mag-lead sa event of cheating. Ngayon, kung may partner ka and you cheated sa partner mo, you should tell them truthfully what's the reason behind, anong nangyari, bakit mo nagawa, kung ano man yung mga tanong nila, sagutin mo yun with all honesty. Para at some point, malesen naman yung trauma na ibibigay mo sa iba.